Hi, my name is Christopher. I'm a freelance sound engineer and AV technician. I also volunteer at Sit and Valley Road, where I help out with the media team. My expectations for today are that I will become more versed in the NDI technology and how to integrate it into my daily work use.
Hi, my name is Brian. I'm a freelance sound engineer. I heard about this training program from social media and I thought it would be a good place for me to come and test out my skills, learn a few more skills here and there, listen to other people's perspectives, and I believe it's going to be a good training session. That's it. Thank you.
You can come here and configure. You see this gear is now for configuration. You can configure, you can do any preset, you can export to Facebook, FTP, LinkedIn, hizi zote. These are different protocols za kustream. So once you configure, you just come to export media and then una add what do you want to export. It can be a clip, it can be an image, assuming it's this one. You want to publish it to Facebook, itakuja hapo. So when you click export, itaanza kutuma. Unaona hapa ina load. So ikimaliza tu itaklik hapa mwisho na ikwambia complete.
My expectations for today were quite interesting, and actually a good number of them have been met and some have been surpassed. My greatest need was to actually find out how the Tricaster interacts with the NDI, since our TV station actually has a Tricaster and we use NDI as part of our broadcast, but we use free software, just the NDI tools. But I wanted to know how to integrate both of them, and I've actually gotten ideas on how to do that so that we can better improve on even our broadcast and even on our live stream.
I had a very wonderful time here at Highway Audiovisual. This was very informative, very educational. I love the personalities I met here. I really enjoyed everything they taught us about. I've definitely learned a lot of new stuff which I'm willing to go and put into practice from here. And I would just like to thank the whole team who put this together for making it happen and making it possible for people like me who come from a different background to come and experience something as good as this. Thank you.